friends, welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain Baby Life Like Com reviews. Friends, this is not a website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And in case if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. Guys, this is the homepage of the site and you can see there is a Monday big sale going on and you can get up to more than 50% off. Black Friday sale is going on, guys. You can buy for $50 and more save $5. So now talking about its offering. So guys, it is an online shopping store based in United States that deals with a variety of baby stuff, and you can find various reborn baby doll girl toys, including the cutest realistic reborn baby doll girl Tara, super trending realistic baby girl Chaya, popular realistic cute baby doll girl, and adoption reborn baby essentials 8 pieces gift set at etc. So you can also view the prices of these offerings, which are too good to be true, guys. They're offering the amazing deals. Apart from that, you can visit the product category including Saskia, Twin A, New Arrival, April, accessories. You can find baby accessories by visiting the accessories product category, and baby clothes as well. Now guys, talking about payment information of the site. So at the bottom of this web page, you will find a PayPal option. Yes, the mode of payment available on this website is PayPal only. Now let's check out the shipping policy. So for that, you need to visit the terms of shipment, and here you can see it needs about 5 days or longer to receive the kit from overseas. So this was the shipping information, and for standard shipping worldwide, it will take up to 2 to 3 weeks. And the shipping cost is $10. So this was the shipping information, guys. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel. And without wasting time, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Guys, this website is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But talking about its domain information, guys, so yes, the domain name was created on 15th of August 2020. So this is not too young website or not too an old website. So we need to explore this website before making any online decision or before making any online purchase. So guys, talking about the contact details, but before that, let's check out the About Us page of this website to know more about this website. So this is the About Us page. Here you can see they have mentioned the information related to their offerings, and guys, they have mentioned reborn store. So you need to explore the entire information before making any online purchase. Now let's check out the contact us section, but before that I would like to inform you that they have not mentioned any details regarding business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc., which is a negative sign. Let's check out the contact us details. Guys, contact us page, they have provided contact details including company's official address, contact number, and email address, which seems to be fake. Yes guys, the address which is given on this web page is not legit and can't be verified on Google Maps or by doing Google search, since only the partial address appeared in the maps where there appeared a road. So we can't trust on it, and this is a bad sign here. And guys, the email which is given on this page does not matches with the domain name, which is again a negative sign. Now let's check out the return policy of this site. So guys, this is the return policy page, but they have provided unrealistic return policy. They have only mentioned that it may take an additional 7 to 10 business days from the date you receive this email for the funds to be available. But guys, they have not mentioned a particular duration for return or refund policy. So this is not a good sign again. But guys, do comment about your experience in refund or return of the product. And apart from that, guys, this site has social media presence on Instagram and Facebook. You can see two social media icons are available on this web page, which are Facebook and Instagram. And when you click the Facebook page, then you will find the Facebook page of Reborn's Shop. Guys, this website is also known as Reborn's Shops, an e-commerce website. And apart from that, when you check out the Instagram page of this website, then you will find the Reborn's Shop Instagram page. Now guys, talking about the Baby Life Like.com reviews, we have found a few reviews about the site on the internet. Guys, you can find the positive reviews on the site itself, but yes, we have not found more reviews about the site on the internet. However, you can see some testimonials on the website which are positive, and one of the customers said fast shipment, love the payment plan, good quality. Another customer said that the baby I received was pretty much perfect. My granddaughter loved it. I thought it was going to be all vinyl, but just the legs. But all in all, I really was satisfied, and she was also. So these are the comments that they have posted on the website. And apart from that, guys, we have found a few negative comments on the Facebook page of the site, which is again a bad sign. So guys, this website is linked with two domain names. This is one is Reborn Shops and another is babylifeLike.com. So we can't trust on it easily, and we do not recommend you to buy anything from this website before exploring this website. It means you need to explore this website from your end before making any online purchase. Make a wise decision, guys, and we highly recommend you to check out the site carefully. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video and subscribe our channel today. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.